اسطوانات çakmakçı.
أحلام وهم.
Alright, so I'm in the backyard right now, as you can see. And if you notice, I'm just going up and down, taking the mower, spinning it, coming right back on the side I went down. It's really simple, guys. It's not hard. You just gotta get out here and do it. Gotta get out here and do it, man. I've been doing this lawn care thing for a little minute. I'm not gonna lie, I sharpened my skills up actually on YouTube. So you can get on YouTube, man, learn a lot. I enjoy what I do. Don't get me wrong, it's hot. Sometimes I be like, I don't even want to do it, but then I sit up and say to myself, hey man, there was a reason why you decided to get into lawn care. So stay motivated and let's get this money. Unless you want to go back to FedEx and make less. Unless you want to go dig holes at Osmos and make less. You know what I mean? So it's basically what I do all day, man. I cut grass all day. You see them stripes? All I'm doing is going down, coming back around, spinning it, coming right back onto the little line I went on. See it? Little spin. Boom. Bam. And you just go down. I'm kind of messing up. You see the lawnmower shaking and all that. The ground is really uneven, so it's kind of hard to stripe it, but I'm making it do what it do. It's clean. Check it out.
That just looked good to me.